And then I come to see Kennedy, they opening the shop. And then they do the relation friend. The high relation friend and this Ali Gurmache, which I tell you. In the 2011, it is him they provocate myself, and then we carry in the market. And then they want to bow myself down. They want to bow myself down in the market. This Ali of the Kumanchi. After they get out up of the father Gaddafi, it is this quarrel which they provocate for me. I see at the Pongo there. And then when I come back at the Pongo from Lome, I see Kennedy and this Ali. When I'm moving in this every time at the Pongo there, when I'm come back at Lome, they calling me Were. Me, I don't understand. If it is not today, I get this comprehension. The Igbo, be careful for myself and the self of my father, the life of my father, which you beating, or you kill the life of our father, and then I do this all suffer again. You don't bring him down. Be careful. The all Igbo, which I can tell you. I win you by the all quarrel in the soul, you and us and me. And what is the problem now? If there are the problem, I want to go come out and me. It is the quarrel can finish. What is your problem? The Igbo. Sunday here, if I see another one again in Lome here, it is Ken, which I can spell it at Lome here. Because that's what they're doing. If you moving where you go, they can charge another person to do the correspondence, and then what is the arrival for him today? What is they angry today? What is their market today? To give the information each other. What is your problem in the life of the MK and their children, the Igbo? You don't care problem. You kill the life to come in your bottom way and then rubbish way. It is by the force you can come in the way of another person. Or what is the problem? C'est forcé de venir dans votre chose. Hein? Every time, every years, you doing to come in your crop. Wow. And then you see, you know, their way, there are not verse or what. And then you try in every time. You call everybody to win ourselves in the soul again. Be careful, the Igbo. At Togo here. Be careful.